What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of JB Outdoors. Less than a week ago, we were out here on the ice. We're going to go find some moving water and transition over to a little bit of river fishing. So I'm down at Andy's boathouse now, going to grab him some poles, and we will see you guys on the river. It's pretty windy today, so I don't know how it's going to be where we're going to be fishing. So I might just transition over to me on the chesty, and we will see you guys at the river. This is kind of a bittersweet spot because I used to fish this when I was a kid, and we've had fires down here. We caught suckers down here pretty much, but gonna be doing a little bit more of that hopefully. And then today I'm gonna target some walleye and some northern pike. So I know they're in here. This is the same river that I caught my pike out of, so let's get rigged up and get started. Spot change. I moved over from the other side of the road, thinking this might have a little bit more coverage, or somewhere in here there's got to be a big pool, which is what we want. Spot change. First cast. I was already over here once. Yeah.
Get him!
Still right?
Yeah, did you see the line go flat?
Yeah, when you picked it up, I did.
Spot change. It's on. Loading up that lure. Nice one. Ooh, that is right in the mud. Another sucker. Sweet. The same one.
Oh boy. I like how they go.
This little fella. That's a little bit small. At least we know it's not the same one.
These are the ones that
Small one. Oh yeah, he's on there.
Nice.
Got him on the shore this time.
Nice little sucker. Pop off.
Yeah, that's what happened last year. Nice little sucker. You want him? Sweet. Try and get this guy back in there. It's fun.
It's like the most lively one that we got. Get up here! God! Yeah. Oh, God. A big old fairy. Oh, look at that. Pike or something must have got her. Big old scar on it. Okay, let's get you back down there. It had to be like a pike or something, maybe. Big old scar. Man, that looks like it hurt. Yeah. Good one. Right on there. Yeah, see? Same size before, see? Holy cow! Yeah, I had it shut off. I literally just got this thing in there. Nice looking fish, anyway. Yeah. Stop. No. Oh, he's on there. Nice. Nice. God, they're like on fire right now. That was graceful. Yeah.
Dude, that's a
Man,
hot one.
that is too.
I think you're onto something with the double.
I don't
Dip
know.
one of them off of there.
I didn't mean to. Must be a hot spot.
We'll pick it up.
This dude back out there. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, John. We like seeing the photos of Bill dancing. Yep, he's there. It's a hot pole today. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's see him. Good one. Yeah, ready. Oh, he popped out. He popped out. That's okay, buddy. See ya. He's on there. It's weird reeling from this side. Yeah, it's fun. Yep. Get up here.
Nice.
Nice little fucker. That's a nice little sucker. Get back in there.
Get that one? Get that one? get that one?
There's one. Really?
Yeah.
No. That would have been cool. Oh yeah. Oh, it's there. Oh, it's there. Yeah, they are. Ooh. Jumped right out of the river.
Dang, dude.
Man, yeah, just hard.
That should be around 12 inches.
12, so he's probably 16, 18. Like that. Alright, dude. Throw you back. Yeah. Ooh, he was bleeding a little bit. Old fat lip.
I didn't.
Either that or I'm bleeding.
I didn't see that hit.
Man, that's awesome.
Just got loaded up, just got home, and forgot how much fun sucker fishing is. And that's just one of our local rivers, and once ice is terrible enough to the point where we can't get out there, you have to do something. So that's one of the funnest parts of fishing for the early spring. We do have early coho coming in from the big lake, and we're going to try to get out there soon. So stick with us, stay tuned. As always, I'm Justin with JB Outdoors. Spend more time outdoors, and we will see you on the next one.